What's up, y'all? I'm out here at the garden, and I'm just out here at my tomato seedlings, and I'm going to separate these, give them a little more space. See, I got a lot of weeds, but these are two more tomato plants that I have. Look like a couple more coming in, so I'm gonna leave them alone. Well, I said I was gonna leave it alone. Okay, I got it. Get that weed from around it. I guess another one going right there, so I'm just gonna move this out the way. And I'm gonna separate these two. I put some cream down here. I don't know if that's my tomatillo or not. I'm gonna leave it alone. But I'm gonna separate these, and I got two right here, and I got two right here. So I'm gonna separate these and do a little weeding. I used the spray weed, but I messed up a lot of my seedlings doing that, so I had to start over. So I'm about to just separate these, and I'll give y'all a little quick video once I'm done. Okay, I thought I'd show y'all this tomato seedling. I got pulled that root out too. One thing I like about tomato seedlings is they have like these little, if you fill up and down, they got like these little hairs on it. And if you bury this seedling all the way up to here, these little hairs and nose will grow extra roots, and it'll make a stronger plant. So one thing about tomato plants, when you transplant them, you can plant them a little bit deeper. See those hairs? You can plant them a little bit deeper than you had initially, because those will go ahead and grow new roots and will make for a stronger plant, or your plant, won't get damaged if you transplant. That's if you transplant it with a decent amount of roots. So I'm about to go ahead and plant this beefsteak right here in this hole, right here. I planted a little baby one right here. I need to hurry up because this already needs some water. I need to hurry up and water it in. This one right there. Then it's still two right here. I think I might put this in a pot because this is my whole little line with tomato plants. Tomato plants get like really big, so I don't want to overcrowd them. This one right here, this little baby, I'm going to let it get a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to transplant it into a pot too. These are sweet cherry tomatoes. And there's my other beefsteak. I'll give you guys another video when I'm out here in the garden weeding. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.